Hello, I'm Edward and welcome to windowsreport.com. In this video, I will show you how to fix the remote desktop error code 0x204. This type of error is actively preventing you from remotely connecting to your computer as a result of missing settings. Also, newly added hardware can lead to issues with remote desktop. But don't worry, stay tuned and you'll be able to fix this in no time. For a more detailed explanation and even more solutions, please check the article in the description below. The first solution could be checking the remote desktop protocol. What you have to do is click the Start button in the lower left corner and simply type Run and press Enter. Then, in the Run application, type System Properties Remote.exe and press OK. In the System Properties window, just go to the Remote tab. Under Remote Desktop, check the box Allow connections only from computers running remote desktop with network-level authentication. This is because this option represents a more secure authentication method that can better protect your computer. Another great solution is checking the firewall. Click the Start button in the lower left corner and simply type Allow an app through Windows Firewall. Then click Allow an app through Windows Firewall. Then locate Remote Desktop and tick to allow it for both private and public networks. This is because certain connections are not allowed through the Windows Firewall or any other security software you might be using, so this step should correct this. You can also map the port for remote desktop connections. To do that, open Command Prompt and simply type ipconfig. Then log into your router and locate the port forwarding section. Then into that section you should forward the TCP port 3389 to the IP address located previously. You do have to note though that some routers have different interfaces, so it's almost impossible to give you specific instructions. So take these steps as a starting point. And also please pay attention that exposing the remote desktop server directly to the internet generates risk like malware, automated hacking, or any other viruses. And another great solution is reinstalling the Remote Desktop app. What you have to do is open the Microsoft Remote Desktop app and then click on the Overflow menu button next to the name, for example your name is My Laptop or any other name, of the Remote Desktop connection you want to delete. And then click on Delete. After you disable the app, try to install it again. For more information and details, please check the article in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.